Design Crowd Job Honest Review. Watch before using. Hiring creative talent can be frustrating, and most people get this wrong. They post jobs on generic platforms and get mismatched results. Design Crowd is a platform that connects businesses with freelance designers for logos, websites, marketing materials, and more. The surprising truth is that it combines crowdsourcing, competitive submissions, and quality control to deliver faster, high-quality design work. You won't believe how quickly you can get multiple options for your project. Here's how it works. You post a design brief with details about your project, style preferences, and budget. Designers from around the world submit concepts, and you can review, provide feedback, and choose the final design. For example, a startup can get 10 different logo concepts within a few days, rather than hiring one designer and waiting weeks. Another benefit is flexibility. Most people assume design contests produce inconsistent quality, but Design Crowd allows you to set revisions, communicate with designers, and select the best fit. You also have the option to hire individual designers directly if you prefer. However, there are considerations. Pricing depends on project complexity and contest length, and some submissions may require refinement. Most people assume it's fully automated. The platform still relies on human creativity, so results vary. In conclusion, Design Crowd is ideal for businesses seeking diverse design options, speed, and quality. It streamlines the creative process while giving you control over the final outcome. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of freelance and creative platforms.